Hi kiddos, happy Tuesday. I wanted to do a quick update on the week for math and science. It's very similar, and then just give you some updated information. So Miss Hudson and I have both created a reoccurring Zoom page, which means that on certain days at this time, every time, we have a Zoom call open. So you guys can contact us to ask questions, just pop in to say hi real quick, whatever you need it for. So on my page, I did it on your math page. So if you go to your math page, the first home page opens and it should have an information page with the contact information. If you scroll down here, I've set it up to where on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 a.m. I have a Zoom meeting. So you guys can just click on this link and it'll open it up for you. And then in the afternoons, I'll keep it every day just because you never know what's going to happen. At 2 to 3 in the afternoon, we'll have a quick Zoom meeting if you need to ask any questions after you've done some of the stuff and something popped up. So all you have to do is click this link and it'll open it up. It's not running right now, right? But it'll open it up for you once it runs. Now, Miss Hudson's is a little different. I can't show you her page, but I can explain it to you. If you go to her home page, so this is mine. On her homepage, it has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. If you scroll down, you'll see that's a red button that says Meet the Teacher. If you click on Meet the Teacher and then scroll down, you'll see something that looks like this too. Join the Zoom meeting on these days. And hers are on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 11 a.m. So, but of course, as you should know, hopefully by now, if you need us, reach out through text messages. Parents can call. We've been calling Class Dojo. I've even shown you on here, there's a chat method, so you guys can reach out through Canvas as well. So there's sorts of ways to get involved with us, okay? Now, for math, I'm going to go ahead and do this. For modules, we're on week 2. Now, I've made it simpler this week, so hopefully we can get through it, so there's a video and an assignment with everyone. The hardest day was yesterday because you needed to copy an assignment and paste it to your own Google Docs if you wanted to do it that way. I'm not going to give it up because I've already explained it here. So watch this video first because it explains step by step what to do. And then answer these questions here. This is the assignment in your own words. Type a definition for each vocabulary word. But I gave you 2 options. It says again in this video, but one option was to do it online so you could type your answers, or your second option was to write it out and you can send me a picture. After you did that, you had to click here on Monday so you can submit that assignment to me. And again, I went through it in the video. If you're not understanding that, let me know. I know I had a couple people yesterday reach out and say, how do I do this? And I reached out, so please do. Today, again with a video. Now, there are interactive notes, but these are for your benefit. So if you want to open these and look at these as you're watching this video, it may help you understand further. You can fill it out kind of on your paper as you go. Now, I've heard that this video wasn't working so well, so if this does not pop up for you, I attached the link. If the link still doesn't work, please let me know and I can help. And then you answer a quick question for me. Wednesday, again, a video on debit card and credit cards. If this doesn't work, I'll attach a link in a minute. Let me know, please, so I can figure that out. And then there's a matching game to follow. Thursday, it's review of opening a bank account and a discussion question, number 2. And Friday is a quick test over what you've learned, okay? So make sure you follow on the step. But again, I've tried to make it very simple to find step by step, 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? So let me know. Reach out if you need me. I'm here to help in any way. I miss you guys. We all miss you guys. I was there at school today, and it was so empty without you kiddos. So let us know what you need.